Hello, great to be with you this week. This week, I want to talk about the word believe. Many of us have experienced loss these past 2 years, and COVID, strangely, has not given us the opportunity to properly mourn, have a funeral, or be part of a celebration of life of our loved one. The minutes turn to hours, turn into days, turn into weeks, months, and a year has gone by, and the pain of our loss is still raw. We lost a dear friend last year. And to be honest, all I want to do is believe. Believe in angels, guardian angels, miracles. I want to believe that our loved ones can hear us and feel our continued love for them. And I want to believe that they're watching over us. I want to believe that we will see each other again. And when my days are feeling very heavy with life and the events of the world, I sit quietly and I believe all of these miracles will happen. And so this week it's simple. My word of the week is believe. The B is for balance. When we feel our emotions are pulling us too much in one direction, it's so important to get outside for a walk, talk with someone that is a good listener, and use our self-care tools. The E is for ethereal, heavenly, celestial, where I like to float around and think about my beloved friend. And L is to listen. Listen to our emotions. Do not push them away. It is okay to feel them. We just do not want to become them. We want to look at them and we want to let them go. The I is for intuition. Follow our intuition. When we are quiet, we can hear what we need to feel better. The E is for expand. Expand our mind because this cannot be all there is. The V is for vision. Vision of what can be. And the E is to express. Express, I want to believe that there's more. I want to believe that there is a thin veil and our family and friends are nearby. When we believe, we can hold joy in our hearts. I wish for all of you to believe. I wish for all of you to have joy. Have a beautiful, wonderful week, everyone.
That was Jean Edelman here on The Truth About Your Future. And if you want to get more of Jean's Words of the Week, just go to thetruthayf.com.